ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, good morning. Today I want to discuss the brief introduction, not in detail, brief introduction about trigonometry. These are useful for some other, that means what, other topics, maybe in coordinate geometry, in calculus, little bit. So I want to give the small introduction about this trigonometry. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is a circle with center O 0, 0. P is a point, P x comma y is a point on the circle, x comma y. That means what? This is here. This is x units, you can call it n. And this is y units, and this is the distance, call it r, distance between O and P. R is equal to OP. I think you know the distance between 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, distance between 2 points, root of, this is x minus 0 whole square, x square, plus y minus 0 whole square, y square, r. So where r is always positive, greater than 0, distance, r is positive. So, and this OP makes an angle. Angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction. This is theta. Theta. And OP makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So, in anti-clockwise direction, the angle moves like this. Theta, OP makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose that this is the theta, this is the first quadrant. Now the 6 trigonometric ratios as defined as trigonometric, this is called x comma y. X comma y. X is called abscissa. X is called abscissa. And y is called ordinate. Y is ordinate. That means simply x coordinate, y coordinate, that is nothing but abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and ordinates. And OP is what? This is distance. That is called hypotenuse, because this is the triangle is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. And OP is OP, that is equal to R, that is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now, the trigonometric 6 trigonometric ratios are defined as follows. Sin theta is equal to, sin theta is y by R, sin theta. Y means what? This is ordinate by hypotenuse. Ordinate by hypotenuse. That means what? Distance. Ordinate by, so this is the distance. Ordinate by distance. Ordinate is what? Y by R. Y by R. Where R is always positive. That is, according to your language, theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is what? This is called, so this is y, ordinate by, this is the distance, y by r. And cos theta is, cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but, this is abscissa, abscissa. Abscissa by distance, that is equal to x by r. And tan theta is equal to, according to your language, opposite side by hypotenuse. Sorry, opposite side by adjacent side. That what I am saying is here, this is ordinate by abscissa. Ordinate by abscissa, that is y by x. That is equal to y by x. And cot theta, cot theta means this is the reciprocal, so this is abscissa by ordinate. That means what? X by y. And secant theta, secant theta means what? Distance by, distance by, this is abscissa, that equal to r by x, r by x. And cosecant theta, cosecant theta, distance by, distance by ordinate, ordinate, that is equal to r by y, r by y. Why I am writing ordinate to abscissa distance? There is this, for this there is importance for this one, but okay, according to your language, you say that opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, that is also correct. But in terms of the 6 trigonometric ratios are defined in terms of ordinate, abscissa and distance, distance. Now you see that here sin theta into cosecant theta, sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to y by r, r by y. So is equal to 1, y by r into r by y, that is equal to 1. So sin theta into cosecant theta implies cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta. And the next one, cos theta into, this is secant theta, cos theta x by r, secant theta r by x. If you are multiplying this and this, x by r into r by x, that is 1. So similarly, so this is cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Implies secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. And the next one, tan theta into cot theta. So tan theta x y by x, cot theta x by y, product of these two, tan into cot, y by x into x by y, that is 1. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Implies cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. So this is the first quadrant. First quadrant means what? What are the coordinates here? X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. X comma y means what? X positive, y positive. R is always a distance, that is always positive. My height positive, my weight positive, distance positive, not negative values. Okay. x coordinate, y coordinate. So, what is sine theta? Ordinate by distance. Ordinate means what? Y by x. In the first quadrant, x positive, y positive. X positive, y positive. Distance is always positive. So, positive by positive. So, sine is positive. So, cos theta, positive by positive, positive. Tan theta, y positive, x positive, positive. Cot theta, x positive, y positive, positive. Secant theta, r by x, r positive, x positive. Cosecant theta, r by y, r positive, y positive. So, in first quadrant, all 6 trigonometric ratios are positive. Already you know all silver teacups. All means what? In first quadrant, all our trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. Why? They are positive and the rest are negative. In third quadrant, all silver teacups. In third quadrant, only this is the tan and the cot are positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Why they are negative? Remaining are negative. Just a brief introduction. Just write down this. So, in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Because x positive, y positive. So, r is always positive, distance, these are all positive. Suppose if the point P lies in the point P, x comma y, this is 0 comma 0, this is R, this is x comma y. Second quadrant, see here, x negative, x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. That means what? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. X coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. X coordinate negative, y coordinate negative. Here x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. So, this is the first quadrant. This is second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Suppose if the point lies in second quadrant, so this is 0 comma 0. The point is P. So, this is what? X comma minus x comma y. minus x comma y. That means what? Minus x means what? Total value negative. If I write minus 2 comma 3 like this. What is sin theta? So this is the point is P. It is minus and plus. Minus comma plus. Minus comma plus. Sin theta y by r. So this is positive. Second quadrant, this is positive. Cos theta. So this is what? Opposite side is what? Minus x by r. That is negative. Minus x is negative. Second quadrant. So here third quadrant. So this is y by x. Y by x means what? Y is positive and this is minus x. That means what? It is negative. Next one. This is minus x by y. That means what? Minus x negative, y is positive. It is negative. So x by r by minus x. So this is also negative. R is positive, y is positive. This is positive. So in second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. In second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive and the remaining all are negative. Second quadrant, see here, sine is positive and cosecant is positive and the remaining all are negative. So by using this, so in trigonometry all are positive. So all silver tea cups. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. Third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. Fourth quadrant, and cos and secant are positive and the remaining are negative. If it is in third quadrant, so this is third quadrant means what? This is the point. So this minus x comma minus y. So this makes an angle. This is theta. Makes an angle theta. This is r. This is 0 comma 0 comma 0. Sin theta, ordinate by distance. Ordinate is minus y by r. Abscissa minus x by r. Ordinate minus y by, ordinate is what? Minus y by minus x. That is minus x by minus y. Here r by minus x. R by ordinate is minus y. So minus y is negative, r is positive. So this is negative, it is negative, this is minus by minus positive, negative by negative positive. So this is positive and this is negative by negative positive. This is positive and this is negative and it is negative. So in third quadrant, so this is only cot and tan and cot are positive. In third quadrant, only this is the tan and cot are positive and all are negative. All are negative. Similarly, fourth quadrant. Similarly, this is the point P. So, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So, this is R. This makes an angle theta. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is what? What is sin theta? Ordinate by distance, negative. Cos theta, opposites are, x coordinate is positive. So, positive by positive. So, this is positive. Tan theta. So, here minus y by x. So, this is a negative. And cot theta is x by minus y. This is also negative. And secant theta r by x. So, this is r is positive, x is positive. So, this is positive. And cosecant theta r by minus y. So, it is negative. So, in fourth quadrant only cos and secant theta are positive and the remaining four trigonometric ratios are negative. So, all silver teacups. First quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Why they are positive? X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive, both are positive. So, the six trigonometric ratios are defined in terms of abscissa, ordinate and distance. Ordinate and distance. Why they are negative in second quadrant? Why negative in third quadrant? Why positive in fourth quadrant? Depends on ordinate, distance and abscissa, you get a clarity. Okay, but distance it is okay. This is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is okay. Now, you know this three important results: sin square theta plus cos square theta or some a, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. First result, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 implies sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. And cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Next one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan, you write any angle, doesn't matter. 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. This implies 1 is equal to secant square a minus tan square a. That is secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Again this is a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. Now this is secant a plus tan a into secant a minus tan a is equal to 1. Implies secant a plus tan a is equal to 1 by secant a minus tan a. secant A minus tan A, or secant A minus tan A is equal to 1 by secant A plus tan A. Secant A plus tan A. And the third one, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. 1 is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A. So, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. That implies this is also A square minus B square form. Cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A is equal to 1. That is cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cot A, or cosecant A minus cot A is equal to 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. Again, these trigonometric identities, these are related to again algebraic identities. So, these write down. Next, we can do some problems. Prove that cos cube A plus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A minus sin A is equal to 2. How the algebraic identities are related to all topics. Related to all topics, what are the uses? That's why I can give you some examples. You feel that, sir, what is A plus B whole square? You know A cube plus B cube, you know A plus B whole cube, you know all these things. That means what? That plays an important role while solving the problems in all total mathematics. So, without A cube plus B cube, if you know A cube plus B cube, so this is related to, this is cos cube A plus sin cube A. So, this you are using the formula A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square, and A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square plus B square. Now this, that is LHS. So A cube plus B cube, A plus B, where A is, this is cos A plus sin A into, okay. Now this is A cube plus B cube, A plus B into A square, that means what? Cos square A minus AB cos A into sin A plus B square, where B is sin A, this is sin square A, sin square A by, this is cos A plus sin A. Next to plus, this is A cube minus B cube form, A minus B into, where A is, so this is cos A minus sin A into, this is A square plus AB cos A into sin A plus B square plus sin square A by, this is cos A minus sin A. So cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A gets cancelled. Cos square A plus sin square A, that is 1. 1 minus cos A sin A plus. So these two gets cancelled. Cos square A plus sin square A, 1 plus cos A sin A. Now cos A sin A, cos A sin A gets cancelled. That is 2, which is RHS. Next one, prove that sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta 1 minus 1 by cos cosecant square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1. This is sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta 1 minus, so sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So 1 by cosecant theta equal to sin theta. So this is 1 by sin, this is sin square theta. So this is 1 by cosecant theta whole square plus cos power 4 theta. I am taking LHS. So this is sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into 1 minus, this is sin square theta, this is sin theta. 1 by cosecant theta is sin theta. So this is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. And again, using sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So, this is sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into this is cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta. So, this you write sin square theta whole square plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. So, this is just like a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So, this is a square 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, where a is, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. So, the value is 1, 1 square is 1. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab. Now, this is a sin square, this sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta is an angle whole square is equal to sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta whole square plus this is cos square theta whole square. So, this is just like a square plus b square. This is a, this is b. Now, that is a plus b, where a is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2, a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta, 2 sin square theta cos square theta. That is equal to, the value is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. The next one, sin power 6a plus cos power 6a is equal to, this write a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. a plus b. So if you use this result, use this formula, so this is sin power 6. So this is sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube. So sin square a into sin square a into sin square a, that is sin power 6a. So this is just like a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b whole cube sin square a plus cos square a whole cube minus 3 sin square a ab into cos square a into a plus b sin square a plus cos square a. So this value is 1, 1 cube is 1 minus 3 sin square a into cos square a into again this is 1. So which is 1 minus 3 sin square a cos square a.